The role of major institutions in the rising housing market. The housing market has been a topic of debate recently, with some arguing that major institutions and hedge funds like BlackRock are responsible for the increasing cost of homes. Others believe that there are larger factors at play. In this video, we will explore both sides of the argument and examine the data to determine the extent of institutional influence on the housing market. The influence of major institutions. One of the major institutions often mentioned in relation to the housing market is BlackRock. However, it is important to note that while BlackRock controls trillions of dollars in assets, it is not their own money but that of their clients. To invest with BlackRock, one needs a minimum of $250,000, making their clients extremely wealthy individuals. BlackRock has clarified that they are not buying individual homes in the U.S., but are investing $120 billion for their clients into building houses for rental purposes. Other major institutions such as Progress Residential, Invitation Homes, American Homes for Rent, Tricon Residential, and the Amherst Group LLC do own a significant number of homes. However, when combined, these institutions only represent about 1 to 2% of the residential market. They primarily focus on newer homes and higher-income tenants, which has led to a shortage of affordable housing for regular buyers. The impact on supply and demand. While major institutions may only own a small percentage of homes, their influence on the market extends beyond their ownership. By partnering with home builders, these institutions incentivize the construction of rental properties rather than starter homes. This contributes to the shortage of supply and drives up prices. In the late 70s and early 80s, the U.S. generated between 300,000 and 400,000 starter homes annually. In 2020, that number dropped to 65,000. The role of government and bureaucracy. The government's role in the rising housing market cannot be overlooked. Inflation, material costs, zoning laws, and bureaucracy have made it more expensive for builders to construct smaller, affordable homes. Builders have found it more profitable to focus on newer, larger homes, which has further limited the supply of affordable housing. Conclusion. While major institutions like BlackRock may not be solely responsible for the rising cost of homes, their influence on the market cannot be ignored. By prioritizing rental properties and partnering with home builders, they contribute to the shortage of affordable housing. However, it is crucial to consider other factors such as government policies and bureaucracy that also play a significant role in the housing market. Understanding the complexities of the market is essential to finding effective solutions to address the issue of rising housing prices. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.